This is a friction folder. Minimal parts, it's only 5. You have a blade, pin, 2 scales, and a centerpiece in there. This one is made completely out of cardboard. Instead of a drawing, this allows me to see it in 3 dimensions. Now, of course, with computer technology and CAD software, I could do the same thing, but I just don't get the same feel unless I can build it and touch it. Pretty simple. That's what we're gonna make. So let's go get started. So we're gonna be doing our scales out of Brazilian kingwood, our spacer out of some ebony, and our blade out of some ball bearing 52100 Damascus that we made. And then our pin will be a nail. We have a few things to do still. For our Damascus here, we need to thin that out a little bit, widen it just a little bit to fit our pattern. So we're gonna go light the forge. We're gonna stick our Damascus in there, widen it out a little bit so we can put our pattern on there and cut this bad boy out.